If you don't wisen up and get smart, you're going to end up at the bottom of the food chain, and I'm sure you don't want that. Get ready with me for a party where we talk about this. We all need to know that there's a difference between being kind and being a people's pleaser. So I'm just starting out with the moisturizer. Now I'm going in with some sunscreen. I like to be generous with my sunscreen. And this is coming from someone who was a people's pleaser, or would I say an ex-people's pleaser. I used to please people a lot. I used to be scared to hurt people. Anytime someone is angry with me, I always feel like, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. You know you're a people's pleaser when you can't say no. When you feel like you owe people things, you feel like you're always indebted to people, or you feel like you're the one that has to solve everyone's problems and not even thinking about your own self. If you don't like it when people are mad at you and you always feel they need to say sorry for even stuff that you didn't do, then there's a big probability that you are a people's pleaser. So right now, I'm just mixing my foundation with my moisturizer and a little bit of sunscreen, because lately I've not really been in the mood of a full face makeup. Like, I just want to keep everything light. I don't know why I'm just in that era right now. Honestly, right now it feels like I have a tinted moisturizer on. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing foundation. Well, do you like it? Okay, so I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer. Like I said, I've been doing the least nowadays in my makeup routine. Like I just feel like I don't have the strength to go full coverage for anything. It doesn't matter how important the occasion is. I just want to keep it simple. I don't know why. People's pleasers always feel guilty anytime they feel like they've hurt people's feelings. They always feel guilty, they always feel anxious. They always feel like they're responsible for people's emotions. And it's really not healthy. Honestly, it's not healthy, because those people that you're trying to please and those people you're trying to prevent from getting hurt, those people you're walking on eggshells for, will stab you in the back the slightest chance they get. They won't even give a fuck about you. But they need to open your eyes. You need to shine your eyes. Open your eyes if you know you want to make it. And if you don't want to crawl into depression or probably even commit suicide. Yes, that shit is real. Set healthy boundaries for yourself and make sure no one crosses that line. Know what you are willing to do for people and what you're not willing to do for people. Also, you need to prioritize self-care. Yes, if you've not been doing self-care before, you need to start it. Prioritize self-care. You need to work on your self-confidence, build your self-worth, make people respect you, because if you don't have confidence, if you don't have self-worth, people are definitely going to step on you. And don't forget, everyone uses people. We're all using each other in this world. If you don't wisen up and get smart, you're going to end up at the bottom of the food chain, and I'm sure you don't want that. So wisen up, girl.